Welcome everyone back with another video on investment fours. Today, my portfolio is sitting up over $2,800, $7.42. Let's check out for today. I actually have been down this whole week, but today I'm actually up on a Friday, 0.59%. But I believe I got paid today on a Friday. And I know people still really, get some criticism about this ETF, but I'm still holding, I'm still buying. That's ticker symbol ULTY, Yieldmax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF. And now I got 195 shares. Market value is over $1,000, $61.88. Portfolio diversity up over 38%, about an average cost of $6. You can see my total return is actually down 9.31%. And I got a dividend payout this week on Friday for $17.98, almost $18. And like I said, I'm still buying this play. It's just strictly for income. Really don't care too much about the NAV erosion of going up or down, but it still pays me weekly. And I'm gonna get to the point where I'm not gonna even reinvest into ULTY. I'm just gonna use the payments weekly and put it to a different fund. So that's what we're looking at for ticker symbol ULTY. And actually, let's look at, I think that's my only Friday pair. Yeah, I actually have Yieldmax too, as well, YMAX, ticker symbol YMAX. That's trading around $12.65. I have now over 11 shares. And you see I've got an average cost of $13.41. I'm actually down about 5.66%. They actually got a low dividend payment for this week, 94 cents. But hey, I'll take it. So, and that, it's better than nothing. And that's what I'm looking at for a ticker symbol YMAX. And I also have YMAG. I don't think I'm barely, roughly under one share. And I believe I'm actually also getting paid this week too, 14 cents. So those are my three weekly Friday payers. So that's what we're looking at for this week on getting paid. But this one here, QUBT, I'm actually really thinking about really loading up on this one, quantum computing. I think this might, be huge for me. It's not financial advice, but this one I'm really looking into heavy. I know it's an individual stock and it's very risky, but I'm looking to load the boat on this thing here. And I just want to get into the next big thing. So that's what I'm looking at with the QUBT. And you see market cap, so 3.22 billion. And I mean, I only have 4.39 shares now. I got a market value of $88.12, but I'm going to continue to buy more. I'm trying to get to 100 shares with this play too. And another one I really like, and I'm really going to start buying here. I do think I'm going to really play this one for the long term, maybe 3 to 5 years. And that's Big Bear AI. And it's trading on $6.72. And I haven't really bought any shares yet, but I've been looking at this for a while, kind of playing options with this one up and down. But I'm actually thinking I'm actually own the stock too as well. I really think this company could do great things. So I think I should just slow the boat on this one. I'm really think this one has a lot of potential. So this is like starting to be like one of my plays I'm really eyeing and watching. This week, and once I get paid, I think I'm gonna buy some nice amount of shares. I don't know how many, but just get in there and get a few shares there and just keep dollar cost averaging in. So that's what we're looking at on Big Bear AI. And let's actually take a look at my income. I got a BTCI Neo's Bitcoin High Income ETF, and that's trading on $56.81. And I'm actually down on this play. I was actually up for a while, but you see I have over 2.28 shares, but this is my income ETF. And you see I got this is a monthly dividend payout. And you see I have this one, it's at $3.06, and that's what would be the monthly payout. So I'm gonna keep loading this one up, try to get to $10 a month. So I definitely need to buy more shares. This would be a great long-term income ETF for me. So I think this would be great to add Just keep buying, especially on a nice dip too right now. So I'm gonna keep buying as well. That's where I got two Bitcoin ETFs in here, and then my second one is YBTC. Sorry about that. Round Hill Bitcoin Cover Call Strategy ETF. And you see I have over 6.61 shares, market value of $300, $29.17. I'm up 1.88%. And like I said, I really like this. This is a weekly player too. It pays out every Thursday. And this was at one of my long-term plays too as well. Kind of uh, tracks Bitcoin, follows Bitcoin. So that's one of my favorites too as well. And I'm actually got a different mix. This is a penny stock that I got here too that I'm actually looking to buy into this next week coming up here. I'll be watching on Monday, and that's Incure Medical. I'm looking to buy more. It's only sitting there with $1.04. This is not final advice. This is what I'm looking at and what I'm doing, to try to make some huge gains. So I'm really eyeing this one too as well. And I think the market cap is only 71 million. So this one actually has a lot of potential. And let's take a look at the past week. They usually they've been down 1.6, but the market's been rough for the past week. And the past month been up over 3.48%. 3 months been up over 1.96%. Year to date, they've been down over 7%. In the past year, it looks like they've been up 62%. So that's one I'm looking at for next week too. And then because this is one, a lot of people talking about this one a lot now, and that's Open Door Technologies. I really like this one too, and I think I'm really going to start adding more as I can as I go, because I like this one's getting into the commercial buying, selling, trading residential properties online. So I think this one will be a good play. These are very nice, good prices, pretty cheap. What I'm saying? Very risky though, but you can make a lot of gains once these things start running up. So those are the few things I'm looking at for this week. Just got paid today as well. I haven't really been adding anything for today, but that's what we're looking at. And, this is a good portfolio update. Comment down below. Let me know what you think and what you're looking at for next week. What do you think about buying? Why do you think this market's going up and down? A lot of things is going on. A lot of things is happening. But for me, I think this is the best opportunity to buy. So I'm going to keep buying. And everybody, make sure you check out the links below. And everybody have a good one. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.